So this is the last variety of hibiscus that I want to show you. It's a little unusual. It's a double blooming Rose of Sharon, and it's just so pretty. It puts on quite a show. This one can be pruned, and the blue one eventually could be pruned too, into a tree type form, or you can let it go and have all these multiple stalks. These don't get cut to the ground like the hardy hibiscus would. You keep them, you can see that the wood, or that it is like a hardwood, like a tree, or a hard shrub, like a viburnum type plant. Oh, and we have some friends here too. There are two big grasshoppers. Oh, can you see those? There's two of them right here. It's like they're talking to each other. Are you gonna come visit me? I'm getting very friendly. Do you see the other one back there? That's really cool. Well, in any case, these ones, they're so pretty. Just as they start to bloom, they look so sweet here. And then after they bloom, the seed pods look like this. And just like with the blue one, these will eventually dry to a light brown color, light tan color. They get real hard, and then they split open on their own while they're here on the shrub. And then the little hairy seeds will fall to the ground. This one is supposed to be a kind with sterile seeds, but I was able to get them to germinate. And eventually, garbage truck. And eventually I will be able, I will give this guy kind of a small tree type shape. They're very noisy. Behind it is a barberry shrub, which is kind of thorny but gorgeous. I love the colors of barberries. I have several all around the garden in different sizes, shapes, and colors. And in front of it is the red ground cover rose, backed by the blue Wichita juniper. This area gets morning sun and also quite a bit of afternoon sun, or at least half of it does. Kind of an oddly shaped area that we have here, or oddly sunned area. But in any case, I hope you have enjoyed my little video explaining the different varieties of hibiscus and Rose of Sharon. Don't forget to check out my website, www.girlgoneherbal.com, where I will have most of these seeds for sale, and hope you have a great day. Bye.